Organizing leads in Salesforce is essential for managing potential customers effectively and ensuring that your sales team can follow up on opportunities efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you organize leads in Salesforce. Log into Salesforce. Start by logging into your Salesforce account and navigating to the Sales tab, where you will find the Leads section. Create custom lead fields. If necessary, customize the lead record by adding custom fields specific to your business needs. This can include fields like lead source, lead status, or industry. Go to Setup, Object Manager, Lead to add or edit fields. Use lead status. Set up a lead status field to track the lead's current stage. For example, you can create stages like new, contacted, qualified, or converted. This helps you categorize leads and prioritize them based on their status. Filter and sort leads. Use Salesforce's filtering options to sort leads by various criteria such as status, location, or source. This allows you to focus on the most important leads. Create lead lists. You can create lead views to organize and filter your leads based on specific characteristics such as lead source, region, or priority. This makes it easier for your sales team to focus on the most relevant prospects. Assign leads to team members. Assign leads to the appropriate sales representatives for follow-up. You can do this manually or set up automated lead assignment rules based on criteria such as region or product interest.